In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate new TracFone and keep the same number. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you acquire a TracFone, you can choose to transfer everything over or start anew. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can keep a pre-existing number but still make the switch over to your TracFone device. So in order to do this, visit the official website, TracFone.com. You can do this through a website or a web browser on your computer or your phone. When you visit TracFone.com, all that you have to do is choose Activate at the top, and then you can select New Phone or Keep Your Own Phone. So all that you have to do is choose either of these options. Assuming that you want to keep the same phone number, you can select New Phone, and the option will be presented here as well. Phone number. Do you want a new number or want to transfer a number? In this case, you should select I want to keep my number, and then you just finish the process as usual. As long as you chose this option, they are going to ask you to input your pre-existing number and teach you how to transfer the ownership. You can also select the option to keep your own phone and bring them over here, which should also result in the same thing being done. But for this video, I'm going to be focusing on a new phone with a pre-existing number. So choose this option after selecting new phone, and then for 90% of people, it is going to be done through a physical SIM card. After you select physical SIM card, they are going to ask for phone identification using the IMEI number, MEID, or serial number. And to find it, it is going to be included in this red activation card available when you purchase your device. So all that you have to do is grab the red activation card on the box of the device. Then you input all of the digits here as needed, confirm that everything was input properly, and then read and agree with the terms and conditions. Finally, you will have to set up an account. So if you don't already have an account on TracFone, register using your email address, password, 4-digit security PIN, and then confirm that you are at least 16 years old. Continue, and then the activation will have been requested. The last steps that you need to do are going to be to turn your phone off and back on, make a call. If the call does not connect, reboot your phone after a few minutes and try again. And then after it is complete, you can text 411 to 611-611 to ask for your balance. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.